President Trump has named who will be working alongside Director Patel as the Deputy FBI Director. Dan Bongino has been selected to fill that role.
Breaking news from Washington, D.C. as President Donald Trump announces the appointment of Dan Bongino, a former Secret Service agent and prominent conservative pundit, as the new Deputy Director of the FBI. This decision places two staunch Trump allies at the helm of the nation's premier federal law enforcement agency, raising questions about the future direction of the Bureau and its role on American justice. In a post on his Truth Social platform, President Trump praises Bongino as a man of incredible love and passion for our country. Bongino will serve under FBI Director Kash Patel, who was sworn in just last Friday.
I know the media's in here, and if you have a target, that target's right here. It's not the men and women at the FBI. You've written everything you possibly can about me that's fake, malicious, slanderous, and defamatory. Keep it coming, bring it on. But leave the men and women of the FBI out of it. They deserve better.
Patel has already signaled his intent to reshape the Bureau, including relocating hundreds of employees from its Washington headquarters and refocusing on traditional crime-fighting duties. Dan Bongino is no stranger to the spotlight. A former Secret Service agent who served on the presidential details for Barack Obama and George W. Bush, Bongino transitioned into a career as a conservative commentator. He became a leading voice in the Make America Great Again movement, hosting a popular podcast, The Dan Bongino Show, and a Saturday night program on Fox News from 2021 to 2023. He also briefly filled Rush Limbaugh's time slot on radio following the legendary commentator's death in 2021. Bongino has also ventured into politics, running unsuccessfully for a U.S. Senate seat in Maryland in 2012 and for congressional seats in 2014 and 2016. Despite his losses, he remained a vocal advocate for conservative causes, often spreading unfounded claims about the 2020 election, which has been widely debunked by judges and former Trump Attorney General William Barr. Bongino's appointment comes at a critical time for the FBI, which is grappling with internal turmoil. Over the past month, the Justice Department has forced out several senior Bureau officials and demanded the names of thousands of agents involved in the investigations related to the January 6, 2021 Capitol riot. Critics worry that the new leadership could politicize the Bureau, using it to target political adversaries. Bongino and Patel will succeed acting FBI leaders Brian Driscoll and Robert Kissane, who have been at the helm since the departure of former Director Christopher Wray in January. Wray, appointed by Trump in 2017, served for 7 years before resigning at the end of the Biden administration. During an interview last fall, Bongino called for reforms to the Secret Service, describing it as a failed agency. Following 2 assassination attempts on Trump, he urged the former president to establish a commission to overhaul the agency, emphasizing the need to improve security measures. As Dan Bongino steps into his new role, the nation watches closely to see how his leadership, alongside Kash Patel, will shape the future of the FBI. With escalating national security threats and ongoing debates about the Bureau's independence, the stakes have never been higher.